Hi, I'm Jason Berg. I'm on the pro staff for North American hunting competitions. I was fortunate enough to draw a sheep tag, a once-in-a-lifetime hunt coming up here in just 2 weeks, or about a week and a half we'll be leaving. Today we're out here shooting my gun at 200, 300 yards, making sure we're dead on. And you draw the tag and you realize, oh my gosh, I don't know anything. And then you spend the rest of the 3 or 4, maybe even 5 months before the hunt, putting together the whole hunt. And so a lot of effort, a lot of sleepless nights right now, and I tell you, a week and a half out from the hunt, I'm having a hard time sleeping right now. So we've got a couple good rams we're looking at, and we're gonna put one down here in about a week. So.
One guy shot one across from Whistle Point. He went down that pipeline and then down the ridge.
The day before ram season, out here scouting for a big one that we found last week and hoping to lock him down. Unfortunately, it's foggy out here. I'm Jason Berg, pro staff with North American Hunting Competitions with Eric Swanson, my buddy Scott Ness, and we're out here trying to lock down a ram that we found last Saturday, and unfortunately the fog's keeping us from doing that, but we're going to stay at it all day today and hope to get one located for tomorrow morning.
She's not a shooter. Did you? So you think if it's opening day tomorrow, you'd shoot him?
I'd already shot him, Dave. I think he's the best ram we've seen yet.
All scouting and everything.
We looked at a lot of rams.
Yeah. That's exciting.
I don't think he's, I mean, he could be a 170 ram, but all I know is he's going to look good on my wall.
That's what counts.
Hey, the good news is we know we're running tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Opening day. Ready to go find this ram we found last night. Hopefully we can get on.
A good spot on those, though.
That's my thing, was maybe they could at least come over real slow and take a better look at the canyon. There's a huge better with the one on the bottom. That looks like the big one.
All right. Well, we left him there at dark, so it stands to reason that's them. If he isn't, we're gonna find him in there. That's a hot ewe. Why would the biggest ram in the country leave a ewe that's hot?
See the tree just on the other side of this knob right here? Directly at the bottom of the ravine. There's 2 rams and a ewe, is all we can see. One ram was way bigger than the other one.
I don't know, but it's nice.
Now we're gonna put the stock on these guys and see if he's a shooter.
go look at him right now.
Like where we saw him the first evening.
Yeah. He said they're... Looks pretty good. Yeah, we found another good one.
Is there two good ones in the bunch?
Two. One looks big for sure, real big.
We took a run on some sheep, didn't we? Two good ones.
Yeah, we took a... Unfortunately, we're being outsmarted by sheep right now, and I'm not sure that that's making me feel so strong here. Unfortunately, that's 2 days in a row with two big sheep.
Sheep 200 0.
Passing up 15, 20 rams, and finally get the one that we want, and we can't get in on them. So.
On the rocky slide, and he said there's another ram to the right of him. That's the bigger ram. Hold his belly, wrap around the dog, come up right to those trees and peek over, and try and find him.
Center with a slide.
Yep, he's smoking, dude.
You get him?
Yep, I seen fur fly. Jason just got himself a ram.
I'm down.
Nice job, man.
I don't know which one was bigger, dude, but that one that was longer, but he looked skinny to me.
This one here was the bedded down ram on the hill, the big one in this group.
When that bullet hit him, fur went
Fur
out the
flew
backside.
everywhere.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Well, they were moving around quite a bit. He was chasing that ewe like crazy.
Wasn't that cool? Did you get to watch a lot of that?
I
And they're
watched all
butting
that.
heads and oh my
I had to put
gosh.
my head down and relax for a little bit because I'm like, come on, they're not holding still enough for me to actually shoot. And it felt right, dude. I mean, what a shot in sheep country,
Dude.
you know.
You shot across a canyon, dude.
How do you?
Dude, you shot
I
across-
wasn't gonna shoot for a long time, and then I just thought, this is so perfect, man. And I almost cried when I stood up, dude.
Dude.
Yeah, I mean, tears came in my eyes, dude.
The tigre.
Deep down.
Is that how you found him?
That's exactly how I found him, just like that.
Awesome.
You know, the hunt's been it's been a really good hunt. I couldn't ask for anything more than these three friends of mine, Scott, Eric, and Dave, to come with me and not only enjoy this hunt, but take time off work to help me with this this gnarly pack out we're about to do, and more importantly, help me spot rams. And it's been a bittersweet hunt, really. We actually found some mega rams, and I'm really impressed. I didn't pay a guide this year to do this hunt. We did a self-guided, and you know, we had an opportunity to take some mega rams, 2 of them, and it just didn't pan out. And but you know, we spotted this one. Scott called us over. He found him this morning and said, you know, I think we got a possible shooter, and the sheep have been really spooky. This is the 3rd season, and we got over here, and I lined up for a long time with my rifle, and I wasn't sure that I was going to shoot, and saw him rutting and fighting, and I just, at one point he turned broadside, and he just looks beautiful to me. But I'm super proud of him. He's going to go on my wall, and I couldn't ask for a better hunt. It's kind of a bittersweet because it's over. It's over now, and that's the unfortunate part. But you know, I'm happy with him. He's going to look great, and it's a memory I'll have for the rest of my life.
You know, I've got to add one thing. Jason did everything right. From the second he drew his tag, he researched like a madman. He called people. He did everything, shooting his rifle, coming and scouting. You guys came with him and scouted and stuff. I'm here filming. He did everything he could do to have the experience of a lifetime. In the end, it's not the size of the ram, it's the experience. And Jason just drug it out to the fullest, and I'm proud of you. I think everybody else is
Very
too.
proud, very proud.
And you know, the pressure on one of these tags is phenomenal, and he came in and he hunted as hard as he could. Everybody tried for him. We're all proud of you.
Yeah.
Got a ram of a lifetime.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys, man. You guys couldn't have done it without you.
Heck yeah.
So I don't want to look all wimpy here, but
We're going to show a little sweat and tears here in a few minutes.
I
We're
tell
going
you.
out.
It's a job. Feeling it too.
Get it by dark.
No matter what your outdoor passion is, North American Hunting Competition has a category just for you. Go to the website, click on the category, pick your state, and enter. It's that easy. All entrants are eligible for amazing giveaways, and the top 3 winners from each state split a percentage of the entry fees. While you're on the website, check out the store. North American Hunting Competition. Have you entered yet?